Hello guys, good evening. From the title of the video, you have got an idea that what we are studying in that video. We are studying the basic data types of the C programming and the basics of the C programming and the header file included in it. Then we will see the some simple practical program that will easy for you to understand. Okay, let's concentrate here, my dear friend. See, there are various data types in the C programming, but the basics are the integer, float, character. These data types are mostly and widely used in the C programming. It is also used in the data structure and many other languages also too. Okay, let's come to the first data type as an integer. Is the data type that does not include the decimal values, example 12, 34, minus 45, 67, and many more. It consumes the 2 byte memory from the computer. Okay, and it has a percentage specifier. What is that? We will see in the upcoming practical video. Okay, till you have don't understand, then don't worry, my dear friend. You will understand in the simple practical program. Okay, now move to the second data type, that is the float. Float is the data type that include decimal point values such as a 3.4, 8.2, and minus 9.89, and many more values are the considered as a float data type value. It comes with the 4 byte memory from the computer, and the specifier used for that is a percentage f. Okay, now move towards the third data type, such as the character is the data type that include a single variable such as the s, a, d, which the single alphabets are represented as the character, and these are the many more characters. Okay, you know that how many alphabets in the alphabets in the English language. You can write comments in that. Okay, it consumes the 1 byte memory from the computer. Before starting the program, we have to include some basic files such as the hashtag include studio.h and hashtag include kunio.h. In hashtag include studio.h means stdio.h. std means standard, and io means input output.h means header file. Hashtag includes kunio.h. kunio means un means console, and io means input output dot console input output dot header file, and standard input output dot header file. Okay, then we have to return the void main for that. Okay, then we have to write the printf statement in it and scanf statement. Then we will see the what is printf and scanf in that C programming. Then printf it is used to print the output, and the form of the printf is the double quote slash and message. We can put anything message at the output. You can print using the printf, and slash and is used to print at the output at the next stage. Scanf is used to assign the value to the variable. The form of the scanf is the specifier, and the ampersand variable. Specifier is the which is depends upon the data type. If you have chosen the integer, then you have to write the percentage d as a specifier for the integer. Percentage d specifier for the integer. If you have chosen the float variable, then you have to write percentage f for the specifier. If you have chosen the character, then you have to write the percentage c is for the that the data type, and the ampersand variable, what the variable you have written in it. We will see into the practical program. Okay, we have come to the online GDP compiler from the Google Chrome. In that we will write the simple C program that will clear all your doubts and difficulties and questions regarding to the C programming. Okay, first we have to include the online my dear guys, first we have to include two header files, recommended two header files such as the include studio.h and include conio.h. Okay, include studio.h and include conio.h. Okay, these are the two recommended header files we have included. And then we have to write the void main. The void main we have written because we don't have to return the any value, so we have written the void main. Then we have to include the integer value. We have to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication of the integer value such as the then we will write the a as a variable for the first value, b as a variable for the second value. Then we have to add this value, we have to subtract this value, we have to division this value, we have to multiplication this value. Okay, first for the printing the output we have to write the printf, then in it we have to write the enter the first value command for the user. the user. Okay, next scanf percentage d is a specifier for the integer, and ampersand a for the assigning value, integer value to the that variable. Then enter the second value command for the user. If you don't want to write that command for the user, then you do not need to write it, you can simply cut it. Okay, that makes a very simple to the program. And then scanner specifier for the second variable percentage d, and ampersand b. Okay, then we have to add that value, then add a plus b we have to write, then subtract is equal to a minus b. Okay, then division is equal to a divided by b, and multiplication is equal to a multiply b. Okay, then we have to write, we need to write the output for that. Then printf slash n addition of the number is percentage d, percentage specifier used to print the output for what addition, for the that variable we have included here. Okay, then printf subtraction of the number is percentage d. Okay, subtract, and here printf slash n division of the number is percentage d. Okay, first we have to include f, because division of the two number, it will be the percentage, means it will be the float value or integer value. So what we will do that, we will include the float into the division, so that it will give you the always a float value. So percentage f we have written here a specifier for the division and a division. Okay, one of the variable we have included here, slash n multiplication of the number is percentage. Multiplication of the two number is mostly the integer, it is also the float, but for the float values it is the float, but for the integer it is the float. Okay, for the integer it is the integer value. Okay, so we are including here the integer value. Then we need to write here the percentage d multiplication. Okay, now the program is completed, we have to run that program. Okay, here you can see the it will tell the enter the first value. First we enter the first value, the simple value, we have to enter the 2. Okay, then enter the second value. For the simplification we enter the another 2 value. Okay, let's see, the addition of the two number is 4, the subtraction of the three number is 0. For the division, 2 divided by 2 is 1.00, because we have included the float, so it giving the into the float. For a decimal value 1.000, and the multiplication of the number is 4. Okay, if you want to run it again, for the for the big number you can also do the 12 and 234. Then the addition of that number is 246, subtraction of the number is minus 222, division of the number is 0.000, and the multiplication of the number is 2808. Okay, another simple program is that here is that the hashtag include studio.h and hashtag include only.h. Okay, void main, and we have to write the message in it, so we will write the printf okay hello world. Okay, hello world is a simple. We have to print the at the output center, then we will run it, and let's see, we will get the output as the hello world. You see, printf is used to print the output add to the result. We can put any output add to the result. Okay, now we have completed our basic of the C programming. If you like that video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay.